Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a pear. Let's draw the stem. Then draw a little leaf near the stick.
Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird, and if that mockingbird don't
Draw the pear shape.
Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that
Let's color now. Color the stem with brown.
gonna buy you a looking glass.
Color the leaf with green.
That looking glass is broke. Mama's
Color the pear with light green.
really good. I will buy you a billy goat.
Pear is a yummy fruit. It is sweet and juicy.
Billy goat won't pull. Mama's gonna buy you a cart and bull. And if that cart and bull turns over, Mama's
We eat pears because they are good for our body. They make us strong and healthy. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.